In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to make animations in Roblox Studio. In my simple example, the player character is waving, and obviously you can make a lot more complicated animations. In this lesson, I'm going to show you only how to create animations, but in the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to use those animations in your game. So once you have your game open, you need to have something that you want to animate. Theoretically, you can animate everything, including trees, objects, etc. But most likely what you want to animate is your humanoid. That is a character that players are using. The way you can do it, you need a character model here, and in my game I don't have it. So the first question is, how can we add a humanoid avatar in our game? Inside of Roblox Studio, we have here multiple options, and you can see at the top here we have Home Model Avatar Test View plugins, and we choose Avatar submenu. And inside of Avatar submenu, we have Rig Builder. So we click on this one. And here we have multiple options, and I want to choose my avatar, but if you want to play around with other options here, go ahead and do it, but I will choose my avatar. So once I click my avatar, we can see that this avatar appeared in my game, and you can also see that it is in my Explorer view, which is currently named a Rig. So this is me. Let's rename it just for fun. Click rename, and I name it me. So once me is selected, your character is selected, go into avatar submenu once again, and here we have this animation editor. Click on the animation editor. In order to animation editor something to show up, you have to select a humanoid, and in my case I'm going to choose me in the Explorer view. So now it showed up. You can see that me is selected in the Explorer view, and you can see that it's also selected in my 3D view. It is nicely blue, and you can also see that top there are certain squares. So how do we animate now? Well, there are many different options, but I will show you the most easiest method. So basically I will choose one part, let's say the upper hand here, and as I move here, you can see that inside of animation editor, something appeared here. These are called keyframes. So that is a first keyframe. That is a starting position. I move a little bit in the timeline. This is called timeline. And now I move this hand slightly higher. I move timeline even more, and I move hand even higher. If I click play now, you can see that the hand motion is going up and down. You can also make it more complicated. For example, this is timeline. Wherever you want the animation to be, you have to move this blue indicator here. Let's say I move the blue indicator between those two keyframes, and here now I simply rotate it, and you can see that now it does an interesting jump there. Obviously we didn't like it. We can select them, and we can delete selected keyframes. So here you go. That's how you make animations, and in my next lesson I will show you how to use this animation in your game.